So has the pandemic shifted your job at all and how you uh, do your research or engage with your own clients?
That's a good question. So we did have some debrief meetings following the COVID pandemic and the market drawdown. So one thing for our clients in particular, or I mean just any client for that matter, there's a lot of behavioral bias that goes into investment management. And one thing that's really difficult to do is in a drawdown period, say in March of 2020, when we saw the market crater of 33% in a matter of 20, I think it was 21 days. One thing to do is just be disciplined to your long-term plan. It's not easy to do in a moment like that, but one thing that, the debrief following that is, right, we have a plan in place. There are certain events that are out of our control. Certainly no one saw a pandemic coming, or if you did, you must have had a crystal ball, which is unheard of, if you will. But yeah, it's in periods like that where you say discipline to your long-term plan, you rebalance where necessary. Usually when the risk is greatest is also when the return is the greatest. So in moments like that, it's just, we want to rebalance, bring your portfolio in line with your long-term plan. But what that also could mean is investing in the market when it's down 30%. But what you've also seen is the behavioral bias of a retail investor. You see a market crater, you see the economy shut down. It's, I want to hunker down. I want to go to cash. And that's not the best strategy. Cash may be a very good solution in the short term, but it's never the best solution in the long term for someone who's looking to build generational wealth, or just say for retirement, investing for retirement. You want to be disciplined to that plan. There are these short-term blips, if you will, where the market craters, but those are usually the best times, the best opportunities to get invested. It's usually when you see the best long-term return. So, going back to clients, even business owners, some of the best times to be invested or even increase investing is during those periods when other people aren't.